Hi folks, today we are going to take a look at the VFD driver with the reference V63111LF. From what has possible to ascertain, it is identical to the PT6311, but I had no luck searching for the information on web. The only reference I found about its use has in the service manual for Philips equipment. After a quick comparison of the power and grid segment pins, the idea that is identical to the PT6311 is confirmed. However, it was found that the pinout referring the data in and data out is swapped in relation to the original PT6311. This swap turned out to be a real problem because in the first tests I did not apply the shunt or air between the pins 5 and 6, which prevent the communication with the driver. It was also not possible to get successful control to the ports of the 5 LEDs present in the driver. To confirm that everything would be correct, I decided to proceed with replacing the driver to make sure there are no errors. First by a PT6311 and then by another V63111LF. Unfortunately, I don't have one exactly identical driver to make the change. Just the V63111 without the letters LF. After carrying out the replacement, the previous detected problems remain, namely exchange pin 5 and 6, fault in controlling the LED ports. This means that these symptoms are not due to a broken device, but rather a different concept. Probably the control of the LEDs could be a detail in the control code or even not implemented in the chip. Just in case, I test with LEDs in the uncommon and the cut common format. As I have not been successful so far in locating the technical datasheet to the further tested driver, we stopped here today, keeping on mind the replace is possible, taking the attention on these little knots.